तो जब मैं इन्वेस्टिंग करता था तो मैं गया था इन दी नॉर्दर्न स्टेट्स टू सी की लाइक टियर 2 साउंड में क्या हो सकता है. व्हाट आई सॉ देयर इन आईसीयूज एंड आईसीसीयूज मेरी तो जान निकली. मैं कहा यहाँ अगर हम लोग बोर्ड पे बैठ गए तो जेल जाएंगे, राइट? क्योंकि उनको जो करना पड़ता है टू सर्व दैट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, राइट, दैट विल नॉट पास एनी ड्रीम्स दैट एनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन गाय हैज़ इन दिल्ली थिंकिंग कि ये बेयर मिनिमम स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए हेल्थ केयर का. अफोर्डेबल ही नहीं है, पॉसिबल नहीं है, इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं हो सकती.
So, what problems do we face in India regarding healthcare?
So being in India is like playing the game on hard mode. Right? You get dropped into a place where the starting conditions are the absolute worst. You have very low resources. You have an environment that is very conducive to a lot of communicable diseases. Unfortunately, as Indians, we were meant to have very slender frames, but we're in a modern environment where you have unlimited access to very cheap carbs and terrible diet, terrible environment. All of these are exacerbating factors. Add to the fact that the education system doesn't gear people enough for being able to provide the supplies. So pluses and minuses. On the minus side, it's everything I described. On the plus side, look at the huge opportunity that presents itself. The provision of healthcare, it's not something that an AI or a robot could do for you for many, many years to come. And I've seen a lot of the robots work. I would never trust any of those robots today to come near me with the needle, unless there was a human behind that. And I've gone through a lot of the AI demos, a lot of the diagnoses, questionable, take it or leave it. So when the raw material for the supply of healthcare is human dependent, what better place to be in the world than the place that generates 28 million of them every year, who are hungry, who are extremely hardworking, and like I said, born playing the game on hard mode. So we are God's chosen people. And we will work extraordinarily hard for the outcome that will lead to a better system for all of us. Plus, enormously enthusiastic, engaged, willing to learn, willing to work anywhere in the world. You look at any country, you go to a hospital, if 10% of the manpower there is not Indian, then there's something wrong with that hospital. So there are huge advantages as well to the huge. So, you can call it as challenge, you can call it obstacle, you can call it difficulty. You can say, okay, these are the opportunity set. If there's shortage of manpower, I'll create an opportunity in providing training for manpower. If there's shortage of convenience and the ability for people to get the test results that they need, the opportunity is I will create that infrastructure. Having learned all the experiences of the West, of all the other countries, we can build a much better system. And that's why any solution other than a full stack solutions country is bound to collapse, because the minute you start at one point and you keep unraveling, you find out that, oh, actually, I can do everything myself and better than if someone else were to provide that.
एक तो क्वेश्चन सुन के कंसल्टिंग के दिन याद आ गया, because the scope is so big कि मतलब like 2 by
Put
2
it in a
matrix
2x2.
2 by 2 matrix
2x2
बनाना
has to,
पड़ेगा.
yeah.
So I will, if I was to make 2 by 2 matrix, I would actually say कि देखो, the problem is divided into 4 parts essentially. Like one is कि what are you talking about India 1 and rest of India, right? The tier 1 metro, top 15 towns, cities, then rest of the country. That's one set problem. And then there is problems from consumer perspective and from the provider perspective, right? कि जो हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइड कर रहा है उसकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, जो कंज्यूमर उसकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया वाली जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, दैट इज़ एन इशू ऑफ अफोर्डेबिलिटी, प्लेन एंड सिंपल, राइट? एंड वहाँ पे प्रोवाइडर का इशू ये है कि पैसे नहीं बन रहे हैं, राइट? ऑफ टू सेट अप एन हॉस्पिटल इन अ स्मॉल सेटअप, राइट, यू आर नॉट एबल टू इवन रिकवर द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल, राइट? बहुत मुश्किल है चलाना. लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं है देने के लिए, एंड बिकॉज दे कांट अफोर्ड एनीथिंग, you are not able to afford basic services properly being dispensed to the patient, so you're not able to meet certain degrees of quality or standards, right? तो जब मैं इन्वेस्टिंग करता था तो मैं गया था इन दी नॉर्दर्न स्टेट्स टू सी की लाइक टियर 2 साउंड में क्या हो सकता है. व्हाट आई सॉ देयर इन आईसीयूज एंड आईसीसीयूज मेरी तो जान निकल गई. मैं कहा यहाँ अगर हम लोग बोर्ड पे बैठ गए तो जेल जाएंगे, राइट? क्योंकि उनको जो करना पड़ता है टू सर्व दैट कंट्री, दैट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, राइट, दैट विल नॉट पास एनी ड्रीम्स दैट एनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन गाय हैज़ इन दिल्ली थिंकिंग कि ये बेयर मिनिमम स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए हेल्थ केयर का. अफोर्डेबल ही नहीं है, पॉसिबल नहीं है, इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं हो सकती, राइट? दैट्स द चैलेंज, विच इज़ वाई गवर्नमेंट विल हैव टू इंटरवीन and government will have to build that infrastructure initially till affordability moves up somewhat.
Yeah, I don't think so, man. I think, see, we're trying the one size fit all with everything. Right? If you have to replicate the same infrastructure that's there in a big town, a small town, maybe it doesn't work. And so you have to innovate on the business model. So even in the company that you're building, you didn't try and build a sort of centralized lab system. You didn't try and build something that already existed. You took the solution. This is what people are wanting. Create a different form factor for that.
बहुत सस्ता नहीं है मतलब like beyond
No, for a hospital, up to a certain point,
हाँ.
I would disagree. And so that's why in most countries, they end up aggregating demand. And so
हाँ.
you don't build 5-star multi-specialty, corporate hospital in the middle of a village. You don't. You put it in the big town. There's a small, tiny referral center that doesn't get too
yeah,
ambitious with the kind
secondary
of work that
hospitals
it
are
does.
there,
And a good amount of
हाँ.
connectivity and
but
roads and so
you
on.
will not get like you have to change the standards of care that can be provided up to a certain level,
That
right?
I agree.
Right, you have to readjust your expectations, right? And that is why in India there are centers of excellence in medicine in every part of the country. Okay, right from Bengal to Andhra Pradesh, जनता Andhra Pradesh में आती है अपोलो के पास, right? Indore is another center, Delhi, Gurgaon is one center, Bangalore is one center, Tata Memorial, Tata side, this thing,
Mumbai.
Jamshedpur is one center, and then this thing is one more center, Mumbai, right? Because the people have to come to that place to justify the economics of setting up a decent hospital with certain standard of care. You can't distribute it. So that's the भारत की प्रॉब्लम. इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम कुछ और है. इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम है ये है कि आपके पास बहुत सरप्लस है. आप वेस्टर्न इकोनॉमी से बेटर हो. ऑरेंज हेल्थ हम बना रहे हैं, 60 मिनट में आपके घर आ जाएंगे, राइट? ट्राई करो आप यूएस के अंदर क्वेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक के लिए आप रिपोर्ट डालोगे, 3 दिन बाद रिपोर्ट आएगी. यहाँ पे दी मेजर प्लेयर आर ऑलरेडी एट 12 to 18 आवर साइकिल टाइम ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग, राइट? तो यहाँ पे प्रोवाइडर्स आर वेरी वेल सेटअप. आई वुड से वी आर गेटिंग बेस्ट इन वर्ल्ड हेल्थ केयर हेयर
If you can pay.
if you can pay.
Friends, if you like this clip, then please go watch the entire episode and also subscribe to the channel for more such clips and episodes. Enjoy your life. Thank you very much.